How to hire coaches in EA FC 25. Now, this is very easy. Normally, after a few simulations, it'll come up here in the task list, hire first coach. Simply press this, and this page will come up when you first press it. You can read this if you skip through it when you first seen it, and here you'll be able to sort the coaches, and once you've found a coach that you like, you can hire them by selecting X. Then, once you hire your first coach, this page will pop up again. If you skip through it, you'll be able to pause the video to read it. Then you can select them here. It'll tell you you're all done. You've hired your first coach. Again, you can read this if you've skipped through it the first time. And as this is an attacking coach, it will tell you who, in this instance, Xerxes, what it'll do for Xerxes, how it'll improve him. You can keep buying new coaches if you want to improve different positions. However, you do need to be careful with your budget. You just keep simply adding coaches as long as you stay within your budget. So that's how to hire coaches in EA FC 25.